Daswani. I'm also known by my brand name Persona Power. Persona is short for personality, and power, well, it is to add power to your personal life, social, professional, career, anywhere. You will notice that these subjects are not taught at schools and universities, but these subjects are famous at finishing schools in Europe. Whereabout? In Switzerland. However, like international schools have come to India, I have brought this subject, which I have had valuable education of after my college degrees. Personality trainings are on your personal qualities. There's outer personality and the inner personality. There's a lot of communication skills. Without communication, you have no personality. But it adds grooming. Now you know languages, whichever language, but do you know body language? Right? That is one of the most important parts. Secondly, your voice. Yeah, it's not what you say, but how you say it. That creates impressions. The dressing is important, but the body language is even more important. We also have body language through your fine dining, through anger. You can be angry. It is very natural, but you know how to do it in a decent way, in a positive way. The major learning is also on shyness, introvertedness. Yeah, come out of your shell, come out of the box. Come join me at Persona Power Personality Training.